Hey guys, Raphael here again with Nova Cleaners. Here are 3 great ways to dust your baseboards. So let's get right to it. All right, let's start with the most commonly used approach, and that is using a vacuum cleaner with the proper attachment. You want to make sure you have a nice brush that doesn't scratch anything, but helps lift any sort of dust that might be stuck on there due to kitchen grease or anything like that. Second, one of my personal favorites, and this is a very speedy way of doing this, is taking a regular broom, taking a big microfiber cloth, wrapping it around with a rubber band or something, tying it on there, and then you can go around super quick and dust all of your baseboards. Try it out and you'll see this really speeds up versus having a vacuum cleaner that you carry with you and then doing it that way. All right, and the last approach, it works super effective, but it's not the best for your lower back or when you're doing a big surface. But it's simply using a laundry dryer sheet. Now, these things pick up dust super well, but keep in mind, you're gonna have to bend down to wipe down the baseboards. But if you're looking for a quick and effective way to dust the baseboards, laundry sheets work super well. Thanks for watching. See you soon.